Hey, welcome to my channel. I'm Elma. Thank you so much for joining me for another video. So as promised, today I'm going to be showing you how I used all the products I got during my Sephora VIB Rouge sale haul thingy. I do have a video up over here if you want to check out the haul, but I'm going to be putting these products to work and give you my first impressions as I go. I created this look. I decided not to go for lashes this time around because you know what, it's not every day I wear lashes, okay? So today I decided I'm not gonna wear lashes. I couldn't be bothered. Plus I had to film this like 2 times because I decided, God knows why, to, you know, try and achieve a cut crease, as if that is ever a good idea. So I had to abort that mission, remove everything, and start again. And by everything I just mean the eye makeup, because you know that I just do the eye first before I do the rest of the face, because, you know, exactly for reasons like this. Anyway, let's just get into this video. If you like it, don't forget to give me a little thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. You know what, I'm not even gonna tell you to click on the bell or whatever. You can do it by yourself. If you don't want to do it, it's up to you. Okay, so it's about it. Let's just primer. Today we're going to be using the Glam Glow Master Mega Illuminating Moisturizer in Sun Glow. And what I like about this product is, like, I'm very much aware of how it works because I have the other one in Nude Glow. I think it's Nude Glow. And the reason why I got this is because there's a tint to it, and I really love this moisturizer because it's illuminating, it serves as a primer, it's moisturizing, like super hydrating, and also like it has a tint to it, so I feel like it's giving me back some color into the face. Nothing too big, but at least, you know, some life back. If you are oily skin and you're interested in this product, I know that they have a matte version of this, so definitely check it out. But for my dry peeps out there, this is amazing, and the smell is like kind of citrusy, so it really does, you know, wake you up, so to speak. I'm just gonna go in and prime my eyes real quick. Today we're gonna be using the Soft Glam by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it is such a pretty palette. Obviously we've seen these colors before, but all in one, it's just so handy, and it's one of those palettes that if you're you know, a neutral nude kind of person, this is an amazing go-to. The mirror is great. It comes with a brush. Actually, I care for the brushes. They're actually quite nice. I don't know what exactly the look I'm gonna go for, but we're just gonna go with the flow. And I think I'm gonna go in first with Burnt Orange that's over here. It's a nice, beautiful, very common transition color. There is a little bit of fallout, but I'm just gonna be super gentle and apply that to my crease. So that had no problems blending whatsoever. Quite buttery actually, and not patchy at all, so I'm really happy with that. I'm just gonna go in just a little bit more and really define that outer socket area, just going in there. I do have quite some fallout, but honestly, that's what you get when you want pigment, man. I'm gonna deepen the outer socket area, and now I'm gonna go in with Sienna. And again, there's some fallout. We're just gonna concentrate that there. Right there. Right there, right there. That sienna color is actually so beautiful, like, oh my god. Really feeling this color over here called Sultry, and we're just gonna go in with We're gonna go in with this flat brush over here, and not apply any Fix Plus or anything because I just want to see what gives. Ooh, it's actually quite I'm not sure I should have used the natural hairbrush actually for this. Anyway, let's just oh my god. Oh wow. Okay, this is really, oh my god, this is so pretty. This is so pretty. If you have like green eyes or blue eyes, this sultry color was made for you. Actually, my brown eyes is feeling it a lot, so you know what? Let me not hate. I'm not hating, but you know. This is it without any Fix Plus or anything, so I can already imagine if I had my brush a little bit more damp and maybe a synthetic brush, this would actually work way better. I'm not giving it much justice over here, but you know what? We're gonna go with it. Go back in with that brush and go in with the burnt orange just to blend everything. Deepen the outer area a little bit with this mulberry color. It's one of those colors that's a bit hard to create, like reds, so we're just gonna give this a little just a little try. Again with that burnt orange, just a little bit to just blend out the edges. I'm actually gonna use an ABH brush, and we're gonna go in with a color over here, glistening, and apply it in the inner, like into that area. We're gonna go back with a synthetic brush and wet it just a little bit with that sultry color in here. Tapping into it. Okay, much better. I'm gonna go in with my fingers. So I feel like sultry applies better when you use your fingers. It's one of those colors. Oh, there's fallout everywhere though. Blend that. Eyes are pretty much done. I'm gonna come back obviously to finish it up, but I'm gonna do my face and all that off camera and come back when it's time to use the bronzer, powder, and highlighter. Okay, so we'll be right back. Okay, so I've already done most of my face, kind of like the cream contour and all that, and I'm just gonna go back with the soft glam and just basically repeat what I did on my top lashes to my bottom lashes. Tightline my eyes. Pretty, right? I'm gonna powder the rest of my face. And to powder, I'm gonna go in with the Becca Hydra-Mist Set Refresh Powder, and it goes like this. Cap over here, and it says "Keep closed to keep me cool." I'm gonna go in with this Morphe Y9 brush and just tap it in there. It has like this little pink tint to it, so just gonna go in and oh my god, it's so weird. It's such a cooling, it has like this really wet cooling sensation. It's really weird. Oh my god, this is so weird. Like even the mist on my face, it's as if I just like had a spray bottle of water and I'm spraying my face. It's really weird. It is a really, like, sensation aside, it's a really nice powder. It's just blurring everything. Wow. Okay. Doesn't it look like I just put a filter on my face? What? This is so weird. I feel like I'm really like up close like this. One, because I can't see really good from afar. But like this just blurred my face. What the hell? You guys know, if you've been rocking with me for a while, you guys know that my go-to is the Micro Smooth by Sephora, and my color is in tan. But this Becca Set Mist thingamabob, like, it's as good, and it has like this cooling, refreshing. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Clearly I need some like bronzer back in my life, but before we do that, like this powder, like, do you see this? I feel photoshopped. It's so weird. Like, I just feel like I just put a smoothing filter over my face. Now I'm gonna do what I usually do and just apply my setting spray, refresher, whatever you want to call it, right before I move into like bronzer, highlighter. Plus it's a nice trick because one, it will make everything blend together, but also your highlight will pop even more without you necessarily needing to wet your brush beforehand. And what I'm using is a Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 replenishing primer and setting spray. So the reason I'm looking up close to my face is really to oh my gosh. Not that I have pores or anything like that, but like, this is actually looking really good. My favorite parts, we're gonna go in with the highlighter, and we're gonna be using for the first time the Anastasia and M.AC highlighter, and it looks like this. It is so beautiful. Go in with my Sigma High Cheekbone Highlighter F03 brush, and it looks like this. Ooh, wavy. Let's just go. The high points. Wow. Okay, this is so freaking blinding. So this is like a kind of like white gold highlight, but still super flattering to my tan skin. Like, this color is not supposed to fit me and not look chalky, like, and it does none of that. Like, it just fits and it just looks, you see that? And when I go like this, there's just like a light sheen, and then it just catches the light. I love it when highlighters do that. Let's go in the top of the nose. Like, the way it applies is so weird because like you can build it up, but it's still kind of intense but natural at the same time. I'm gonna try with a different brush and see what it gives. And like, look at that chin. This is so pretty. M510. TJ was the one who hooked me up on this, and we're just gonna go in. Ooh. So this just intensifies the highlighter even more. But it's still like, ooh, this is so pretty. We're going just on the brow a little bit. Wow. Obviously I have a little bit texture going on because like just finished that time of the month. But wow, I'm looking way too light right now. That's because I haven't put on any bronzer yet, but if you know, you know I put bronzer a lot. We're gonna go in with this big fluffy M527 by Morphe and just, ooh, let's go to town with it. It's exactly what I said in my haul video. These have little specks in them, and I hope this catches it. I'm not sure it does, but it has little specks in them, and when the light just touches, like it's not flat. It's not like a flat color. Okay, bronze side, not bronze side. Isn't that crazy? I keep looking down because my monitor is here. Oh my god, this bronzer is so nice. It's the right amount of brown and warmth, but it's not orangey. Oh my god, this is so pretty. With the setting spray.
So let's get it on to your favorite song. The night is young and you got me going on. Every single beat hits my heart so deep. Wanna wrap my arms around you cause you sweep me off my feet. Girl, you know that there ain't nobody moving like you. You know you got me. I love the things you do. Maybe I'm getting into trouble, but I just wanna be your lover. Cause you're making me feel